Hello everyone and very good afternoon once again. So in today's class, we are going to start our chapter number second, which is equations. So equations chapter is divided basically into two portions. One is linear equations and second one is quadratic equation. So in today's class, we will be beginning with linear equations. So let's see who all are live now. So we are having Om Gupta, Morgan Priyas, Chandana Gupta, Joey Rohani, Sania, Mohammed Shoaib, Asha, Manisha, Prakriti, Manisha, Renu, Devajyoti, Shruti, Tanishka, great. Chanchal, Argidas, Prajapati Govind. So most of the people are live now. So let us begin with the topic equations. So this equation topic is basically connected with our lower classes, that is from grade 6 to grade 10. So you might have studied about the equation. The same thing is coming here and with some additional word problems. All right. So we will be taking care of all those things today. And one of the most important thing for this chapter is that we can solve majority of questions by using option method, and that is the fastest, easiest method available. All right. So this topic is mainly based on option method. So let us begin with the topic equation. So first of all, what is the meaning or the definition of equation? Equations means equality. जब कोई दो चीजें बराबर होती है, then we put equal to sign in between that. Let's say if we are saying x equal to 2, that means the value of x is equal to 2. That is why we are putting equal to sign, that is equality sign. And after this chapter, we will be doing inequality. So inequality means it will be greater than or it may be less than. But equality means it is equal. So in this chapter, we will be dealing with equal to sign. And in the next chapter, we will be dealing with greater than, less than, more than, less than. All right. Yes, so more people are live now. So let us begin and do not waste the time because today's topic is a bit lengthy. So we have variety of questions, but they are easy. Okay. So first of all, the equations can be divided as first one is linear equation. किसी भी equation को linear equation कब कहा जाएगा? So when the highest power of variable is 1. When the highest power of variable in an equation is 1, then it is known as linear or simple equation. Or it is also known as equation of degree 1. Okay. So let's take one example. 2x plus 5 equal to 10. So x is a variable. And here the variable is having highest power of 1. So this is an example of linear equation. Similarly, there is another example, 8x plus 17 into x minus 3. And this is equal to 4 times of 4x minus 9 plus 12. So in this whole equation, you will find that maximum power of x is only 1. Therefore, this is known as linear equation. Okay. Now, what if there are more than, the power is 2 or more than 2? What about the power 2 or more than 2? So if the power is 2, then it is known as quadratic equation. When the highest power is 2, then the equation is known as quadratic equation. And if the highest power is 3, then it is known as degree 3, that is cubic equation. When the highest power is 3, then it is known as cubic equation. Okay. So let's see some examples. 3x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So while checking out 3x squared, here the power is 2. In 5x, the power is 1. But we have to check the highest power. Highest power is 2. Therefore, it is known as quadratic equation. In the next one, you can see that 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus x minus 7 equal to 1. So again, what about the highest power? The highest power here is 3. The highest power is 3. Therefore, it is known as cubic equation. Cubic equation. All right. So Anshika says, I have fear of maths. How can I overcome it? See, it is very much easy. Just go through with the class. You have to just flow in the pattern we are running, and that's it. Because CA Foundation mathematics is not very difficult. It's easy. So what you have to do, simply you have to focus on what we are doing. Simply catch our flow and you will get your mathematics. Okay, so no need to worry. So now, if two equations are given, then we have to solve them simultaneously and get the values of x and y. So let's see, x plus 2y equal to 1. This is the first equation, but in this equation, there are two variables. One is x, other is y. Similarly, equation number 2 is there, 2x plus 3y equal to 2. Here also there are two variables. Therefore, we have to solve this equation simultaneously. Okay. Now, how we will be solving that we will do in our today's session. All right. Momika says maths is easy, but you are making it more easy. That's great. Why says your teaching is the best, and I see your lectures on YouTube also. That's great. Okay, now let us begin with the simple equation first. Now, what is a simple equation? A simple equation is having a format of ax plus b equal to 0. This is a basic format where x is a variable and a and b are any constant, any number. Like it can be 1, 2, 5, 10, any number. So a and b is constant, x is the variable. So this is known as the simplest form of equation or simplest form of linear equation. Now, there is one example and we have to simplify this. So it says 4x by 3 minus 1 is equal to 14 by 15x plus 19 upon 5. Okay. Now, always what you have to do, keep all the variables on one side and constant on other. The variable on one side. So 4 by 3x minus 14 by 15x. So as we know, whenever we bring the values from right to left or left to right, their sign will get changed. Positive will convert into negative and negative will convert into positive. That is why we have written 4x by 3 minus 14 by 15x. I know this rule you had studied in class 6, 7, 8 and so on, but I am helping even those students who have forgotten these tricks. Okay. So I'm taking everything from scratch. No need to worry. Now, what is the next step? We can take the LCM. What is the LCM of 3 and 15? Of course, 15. Now, 15 divided by 3 is 5 and 5 into 4 is 20. So it becomes 20x minus 14x equal to. Now, take the LCM on right hand side as well. It is 19 plus 5 divided by 5. So what is left? 6x upon 15 is equal to 24 upon 5. Let's cancel. 5 and 15 is getting cancelled. Then 3 and 6 is getting cancelled. So what is available now? 2x is equal to 24. Therefore, value of x will be 24 upon 2. That is 12. 24 upon 2, that is 12. Okay. So this is the first basic question of simple equation. Then Pujit is asking weightage of this chapter. Yes, the weightage of this chapter you can assume around 2 to 3 marks because it is linear as well as quadratic. To average, you can take 3 marks for this chapter. All right. So exercise number 8. So this exercise is basically the very basic one exercise. So we will do some random questions from this because this is basically exercise based on, you can say, up to grade number 8, class 8. So let's see the first equation. Minus 7x plus 1 equal to 5 minus 3x. So what we are getting? Minus 7x plus 3x equal to 5 minus 1. Now, initially, I am writing each and every small steps. After that, we will skip these steps because these are not at all required, right? So, minus 4x is equal to 4. Therefore, value of x will be how much? Minus 1, negative 1. This is the value of x. So, option number B is the correct answer. Now, such question can also be solved by using option. So, if you want to solve second question by using option, you can try that also. You have both the ways, no need to worry. You can take the LCM and simplify, or you can simply put the values and then find the result. So, let's see by using option. If we put option number A, that is 20, in question number 2, then what will happen? 20 plus 4 upon 4 plus 20 minus 5 upon 3. How much we are getting? 24 by 4 is 6 and 15 by 3 is 5. So we are getting 11 and 11 is verified from here. Hence it is proved that option number A is correct. So by using this method, we can easily get our result. Nandini is asking how much sums from where we should practice in a day. See, at least you should practice 40 to 50 questions in a day, especially first from module. You are having ICI module and this is also having lot of questions, lot of variety. So you can cover from this. After that, some additional questions, which I will be giving you on regular basis, that also you can do. Okay. Now, the third one, you can easily do. Simple cross multiplication is there. Now we are doing question number 5. This is a reverse question. Question says, 8 is the solution of the equation. Now this time answer is given and you have to find the question. Answer is given and you have to find the question. So first of all, observe all the options carefully. Options, you can observe all the options carefully. Now, see, first one is having equal to 11, second equal to 8, third equal to 4 plus x by 4, and last one is. Now, since option number B is having equal to 8, that means it might be the correct option. So there are greater chances that option B will be correct. So try option B first. Don't rely on this, but you can try this option number B first. So I'll put up 8 in the options. 8 plus 4 by 2 and x plus 10 by 9. 8 plus 10 by 9. So how much you are getting? 6 plus 2, that is 8. Yes, option number B is correct. That's it. Okay. All right. So always you have to see the options and apply carefully. Then question number 6 is similar, 7 is similar. Let's try 7th one also. the solution of this p plus 2, p minus 3 and p plus 3, p minus 4 is equal to this. Now, if you want, you can simplify also. And if you want, you can put option also. Let's try using simplification method. So p plus 2 into p minus 3 plus p plus 3 p minus 4 equal to p into 2p minus 5. This is given. Now let us multiply them. P into p is p square. Then plus 2p minus 3p will give you p minus 6. Again p square minus p minus 12 equal to 2p square minus 5p. So from this you can see that here we are having 2p square and bring that 2p square here also. Then minus p and minus p, it is minus 2p plus 5p equal to 18. So 2p square is cancelled. So what is left? 3p is 18. Therefore, value of p will be 6. 18 upon 3, 6. Okay. So just substitute the option or just multiply and get the answer. All right. Now let's try the 9th one also. Pick up the correct value of x. Now again, observe very, very carefully. You will get your answer very quickly. Okay. Observe carefully. Pick up the correct value of x, and first value is positive, then negative, then again positive, and again negative. So alternate positive, negative values are there, and the result is 0. So it means that positive and negative will get cancelled. So what shall we substitute in place of x? X की place पर हम क्या रखें जिससे ये पूरा cancel हो जाए? See, it's very much easy. So if you put 10, because you can clearly see that the difference is only in multiple of 10. 0.5, if you multiply by 10, let's say if it is 0.05, if you multiply by 10, it becomes 0.5. Similarly, if it is 0.0005 multiplied by 10, it will become 0.005. So all these values are available to us. So there is a difference of multiplication of 10. So try option 10. That is C option. You will easily get your result. So 10 upon 0.5 minus 1 upon 0.05 plus 10 upon 0.005 minus 1 upon 0.0005. Now, you can bring this 10 in the denominator. It will become 1 upon 0.05 minus 1 upon 0.05. Then plus what is left? 1 upon 0.0005 and minus 1 upon 0.0005. So you can see that clearly one value is positive, other is same negative. Again positive and then negative. So it will get cancelled and ultimately the result will be 0. Therefore, option number C is correct. So always in such cases, you have to solve by substituting the values. So it is very much easy. Okay. So Juhi says, please use Hindi. Okay, no problem. So अभी तक जो हमने किया है सिर्फ मेन मेथड क्या है, x की वैल्यू आपको पुट करनी है इक्वेशन में और आपका रिजल्ट आ जाएगा. That's it. Now, there is some basic word problem. Illustration number 1. The denominator of a fraction exceeds the numerator by 3. So let's say there is a fraction and the denominator of a fraction exceeds the numerator by 5. So there is one value in numerator, other comes in denominator. So if numerator is x, अगर numerator x है, then denominator क्या होगा? X plus 5. Why x plus 5? Because question says denominator exceeds numerator by 5. Therefore, denominator will be x plus 5. And if 3 is added to both, अगर हम दोनों places पे 3 को add कर दें, let us add 3 in both of them. If we add 3, the fraction becomes 3 upon 4. So it is equal to 3 upon 4. So in this way, you can form the equation. Okay. In this way, you can form the equation. All right. Now let us cross multiply and simplify. So it becomes 4x plus 12 equal to 3x plus 8 into 3 is how much? 24. So 4x minus 3x becomes x equal to 12. X equal to 12. So in this way, you have got the value of x. Now, what is the requirement of question? Question says find the fraction. So numerator was x, that is 12, and denominator is 12 plus 5, that is 17. Therefore, 12 by 17 is our result. This is the complete fraction. Okay. So let me explain once again in Hindi also. पहले क्या करना है? क्वेश्चन ने बोला डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर से 5 नंबर ज्यादा है, तो अगर आपने न्यूमरेटर को x लिया तो डिनोमिनेटर कितना होगा? x plus 5. ओके, ये तो हो गया हमारा पहला पोर्शन. आगे क्वेश्चन ने कहा अगर हम 3 ऐड कर दे दोनों में, न्यूमरेटर में भी और डिनोमिनेटर में भी, तो हमारा फ्रैक्शन कितना बन जाएगा? 3/4. तो हमने न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में कर दिया +3 अबव एंड +3 डाउन, एंड उसको इक्वेट किया कैसे? 3/4 से. ये करते हैं, क्या बन गई आपकी इक्वेशन, और इक्वेशन बनने के बाद x का रिजल्ट आ गया 12. सो इफ x इज 12, तो न्यूमरेटर इज 12 एंड डिनोमिनेटर कितना है? 12 plus 5 17. तो 12/17 becomes your answer. All right. Now, second one also. If thrice of A's age 6 years ago be subtracted from twice his present age, the result would be equal to the present age. Then we have to find A's present age. So let us assume the present age of A is equal to x. Present age कितना है? x. अब आपको क्या करना है? सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. तो thrice of A's age 6 years ago. अगर एज आज कितनी है? x. तो 6 years ago एज कितनी होगी? x minus 6. 6 साल पहले एज कितनी होगी? x minus 6. Now we have to do 3 times of this. So multiply by 3. So 3 times of age 6 years ago. Now we have to subtract this from twice of the present age. Twice means 2, present age is x. So since from is written, so you have studied in lower classes, whenever from is written, like subtract 2 from 5, it means 5 minus 2 you have to complete. Similarly, here also 2x minus 3 into x minus 6 you have to perform. And now this difference is equal to present age, that is x. This is equal to x. Now let's simplify. 2x minus 3x plus 18 equal to x. Now you can see how much we are getting. 18 is equal to 2x. Therefore, value of x will be 9. The present age of A is 9 years. Saloni Sharma has given the answer 9 years. All right. So just you have to make equation in this form. Then the third one. Adi Fatima says equation is all time my favorite and you made it more favorite. That's great. Now the third one. A number consists of two digits, like two-digit number, like it can be 10, 12, 15, 25, 38, 57, any number which is of two digits. So a number is of two digits. The digit in tens place is twice the digit in units place. Okay. टेंस प्लेस पे जो डिजिट है वो डबल है किसका यूनिट प्लेस का डबल है इफ 18 is subtracted from the number the digits are reversed अगर हमने 18 को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो नंबर क्या हो जाएगा रिवर्स then find the number so क्या assume करेंगे this is the ones place and this is unit place and this is 10th place. So let the number in unit place is x and जो 10th place पे number है वो कितना है double of this that is 2x. अगर ये x है तो वो 2x है. Let's say if it is 1 तो वो 2 है. अगर यहाँ 2 है तो वहाँ 4 है. If it is 3 then it will be 63. Okay. So the number at 10th place is double the number of units place. So number या तो 21 होगा या 42 होगा या 63 होगा and so on. Now what you have to do subtract 18 from this. इसमें से आपको 18 subtract करना है और 18 subtract होने के बाद number क्या हो जाएगा reverse. Number will get reversed. So you can do this by hidden trial method also. See subtract 18. Number is 3. This is not reversed. Subtract 18 from 42. We will get 24. Now the number are reversed. That means 42 is the correct answer. And yes, we can see from here 42 is correct. So such questions can be done directly by using option or hidden trial method. But if you want to do it completely, then it will be a bit lengthy. So let's do that way also. So the number at 10th place is 2x. So 10 multiplied by 2x. Why we are multiplying by 10? Because it is on 10th place. Okay, you have done the place value in the lower classes. Like if number is 19, then we write 10 plus 9. Okay, if it is 28, then we write 20 plus 8. Then it becomes 28. So similarly, here we write 10 into 2x plus x. So this is a two-digit number. This is a two-digit number. So number at unit place is x and that is twice. Now, form the equation. So 20x plus x. If we subtract 18 here, the number is getting reversed. So 10 will get multiplied by x and plus 2x. Because the number are reversed. So it will become 21x minus 12x equal to 18. So x is equal to 2. Value of x is equal to 2. So you don't have to try by using this equation method, try using option method in exam as well, because that will be very, very easy and very fast. Next is fourth one. For a certain commodity, the demand equation giving demand D in kilogram for a price P in rupees per kg is D equal to 100 into 10 minus P. So this is the equation for demand. The supply equation giving the supplier S in kilogram for price P in rupees is given by S equal to 75 into P minus 3. So one is the demand equation, other is supply equation. So you might have done this in economics till now, demand and supply equations. The market price is such that at which demand is equal to supply. Now, if you will study economics, like equilibrium portion in economics, equilibrium in economics, this topic will come in your market chapter. Okay, in economics there is one chapter market where you have to determine the prices कि market में prices कैसे determine होती है. तो market में price determine करने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? You have to make demand and supply equal. जहां पर दोनों equal हो जाएंगे, that price will be taken care of. Okay, so let us understand with this simple example. This is units 1. Price is 10. So when price is 10, then demand is, let's say, 5 units. Price is increases 20 rupees, demand is 4. At 30 rupees, demand will be 3 units. At 40, demand is 2. At 50, demand is 1. We are taking just a simple example. Price is increasing, demand is decreasing. There is inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. You might have done in the economics. Similarly, if we talk about supply, in supply, what will happen? When price increases, quantity supplied also increases. जैसे ही price बढ़ती है, तो supply भी क्या होती है? Increase होती है. So, at price 10, supply is 1 unit. At 20, it is 2 units. At 30, 3 units. At 44 and at 50, it will become 5 units. तो जहां पर डिमांड एंड सप्लाई दोनों इक्वल होते हैं, वहां से प्राइस डिटरमिन हो जाती है. सो फ्रॉम हियर प्राइस इज 30 and you can make some diagram for that also, because demand curve is downward sloping, supply curve is upward sloping, and from here you can determine the price. So in this way you will be doing in economics. But now here simply what you have to do, equate these two equations. Simply equate these two equations. So demand is equal to supply. So 100 into 10 minus P is equal to 75 into P minus 3. Now let's simplify. It will become 1000, or you can cancel first 100 and 75. It will be cancelled 3 and then 4. So now 40 minus 4p is equal to 3p minus 9. So what we are getting, 49 equal to 7p. Therefore, value of p will be 7. So from here you can get price is equal to 7. Price is equal to 7. That's very, very easy. तो जहां पर डिमांड एंड सप्लाई दोनों इक्वल होती है, वहां से यू कैन डिटरमिन प्राइस. सो देयरफॉर वी हैव डिटरमिन्ड प्राइस यूजिंग दैट. Now if you want to find out quantity as well, then substitute in the equation. So if you want to find demand, put values in demand. 100 into 10 minus 7, it will become 300. And if you want, you can find from supply also. Supply S is equal to 75 into 7 minus 3. So here also you will get 300, because demand and supply both are equal at the point of equilibrium. So values of demand and supply is 300. All right. So this is basically example number 4. Okay, then Adi Fatima says, Kamdu Rai says, example number 3 once again. Okay, see, example number 3, you have to do by choices. You have to do by choices. So let's see, there are Few options available to us. A option is 21, B option is 42, and C option is 63. Now, question says, जो नंबर आपका यूनिट प्लेस पे है एंड टेंथ प्लेस पे है, तो टेंथ प्लेस वाला नंबर यूनिट प्लेस का डबल होना चाहिए. So 21. So 2 is double of 1. First condition is verified. Now check the second condition. If you reduce 18 from this number, the digits are reversed. So if you reduce 18, we get 3. So digits are not reversed. Second condition fulfill nahi ho rahi hai. That is why option A is wrong. Now, if you try second option, 42. So again, 4 is double of 2. First condition verified. Now check the second condition. 42 minus 18. You are getting 24. Digits are reversed. Digits are reversed. That means option number B is correct. Okay. Shravani says your teaching is so good. I'm very interested in your class. That's great. Okay. So now third also we have done. Now let's try exercise number B by using options. See, you have to always check both the conditions are getting verified or not. So question number 1. The sum of two numbers is 52. This is the first condition, that sum of the two numbers should be 52. And the second condition is that the difference is 2. Difference must be 2. Now check option number A. 17 plus 15. Is it 52? No. So option A is wrong. Check B option. 12 plus 10. Is it 52? No. B is also wrong. Check third option. 27 plus 25. It is 52. Yes. First condition verified. Second condition. Difference is 2. Yes. It is also verified. Therefore, option number C is correct. Option number C is correct. All right. Then the second one. In the second one, what is required? The diagonal of a rectangle is 5 centimeter and one of its side is 4 centimeter. Then find the area. So now you have to find out the area. So let's try this. It's very simple. This is a rectangle. Okay. Then you can form a line diagonal here. This is the diagonal. Okay. Now some values are given. Diagonal is 5 centimeter and one of its side is 4 centimeter. Now can we find the other side also? Yes, we can find using Pythagoras theorem. You might have studied in class 8, 9, 10 Pythagoras theorem. It is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So what is hypotenuse here? In this triangle ABC. In the triangle ABC, hypotenuse is AC. The value of AC is 5. So 5 square is equal to, what is base? Value of base is 4. So 4 square plus perpendicular square. So 25 minus 16. So from here, you can get value of perpendicular as 3. This is perpendicular. Now what is required? We require area. So how do we find the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length into breadth. So 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12 square centimeter. Option number B. So in this way, you will get your answer. All right. So this was second question. Now third one. Let us do third one. Understand very carefully. Divide 56 into two parts such that now here language is very much important, because if your English is not proper, then you might lose marks in mathematics, because in some cases of word problems you must have the knowledge of proper English language. So if your English is getting better, your maths will automatically get better. Okay, so in most of the chapter, language based question will be coming. Therefore, you must focus on English as well. So divide 56 into two parts such that 3 times the first part. First part का कितना करना है? 3 times करना है. Exceeds मतलब ज्यादा है. किससे? 1/3 of the second part. कितना ज्यादा है? 48 ज्यादा है. Then the parts are. Okay. So how you will solve such kind of question? Again, by using options. 3 times of first part. Let's try option number A. Option number A is 20, 36. 3 times of first portion. So 20 into 3. And 1/3 of second part. So 1/3 of second part. Now the difference should come as 48. Let's check. 60 minus 12. Yes, it is 48. Condition is verified. Therefore, option number A is correct. Option A आपका सीधा सा करेक्ट हो गया. तो जैसा क्वेश्चन में बोला हमने बिल्कुल वैसा ही किया है. फर्स्ट नंबर का 3 times 60. सेकेंड नंबर का 1/3 that is 12. और दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना आना चाहिए? 48. And yes, it is coming. Therefore, option A is truly correct. Okay. Then Indrashis is asking about example number second. See, example number second was very simple. जैसा लैंग्वेज ने कहा, आपको सब कुछ लैंग्वेज का यहाँ पे गेम है. अगर आपने लैंग्वेज को प्रॉपर्ली इंटरप्रेट किया, you will get your answer. So in this second illustration, the condition was thrice of A's age 6 years. So let the present age of A be X. अभी की प्रेजेंट एज जो हमने अज्यूम की है वो x है. तो 6 साल पहले क्या एज होगी? x minus 6. तो इस x minus 6 का कितना करना है? राइट, 3 times. तो therefore we have multiplied by 3. इसको क्या करेंगे? सब्ट्रैक्ट. किसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है? फ्रॉम ट्वाइस ऑफ द प्रेजेंट एज. प्रेजेंट एज कितनी है? x. x का ट्वाइस कितना हुआ? 2x. ओके, तो इन दोनों का डिफरेंस कैलकुलेट करना है. सो 2x minus 3 into x minus 6. And now this difference is equal to the present age. Here difference present age के equal है, that is x के equal है. So in this way you have to form the equation. And after this, by solving, you are getting x equal to 9. Okay, dear. Now the fourth one. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 10. क्वेश्चन की पहली कंडीशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ध्यान से समझना है. 10 क्या आ रहा है? The sum of digits of a 2-digit number is 10. Like first option 37 है, so 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Yes, option number A satisfies first condition. 73, 7 plus 3 is 10. So B option is also satisfying first condition. 7 plus 5, 12. So C option is not satisfying the condition. Okay. So first condition कौन satisfy कर रहा है? Option A and option B. Now let's see the second condition. If 18 is subtracted from it, the digit in the resulting number will be equal. तो digit कितना आएगा? Equal. तो 37 minus 18. After reducing 18, you will get 19. 1 and 9 both are not equal. 73 minus 18, you will get 55. So 5, 5 both are equal. Therefore, option number B satisfies both the conditions. So B option is correct. Okay. Now the fifth one, fourth part of a number exceeds the sixth part by 4. Then the number is. Again, it is language-based question. Fourth part of a number means 1/4. 1/4. Try option number A first. So 1/4 of 84 is 21. Is 21. And 1/6 of 84, 84 by 6. It is how much? How much you are getting? 1 and 4. 14. Now the difference should be 4, but here difference is 7. So first option is wrong. Let's try again. Now 44, you can see it is not exactly divisible by 6. So we will be trying option number C first. 48. So 48 divided by 4, you are getting 12. 48 divided by 6. How much? 8. Now you can see the difference is 4. That means the condition is verified by option number C. So C option is correct. Okay. So we have repeated question number 3 as well, question number 4. Now let's do sixth one. 10 years ago, the age of father was 4 times of his son. And 10 years hence, the age of the father will be twice that of his son. Then find the present age of father and son. So what is the requirement? Present age. So option में जो भी values given है, that is for the present age. Okay. Now check both the condition. First condition क्या है? 10 years ago, 10 साल पहले. Age of father was 4 times. So father की age 4 times है as compared to son. So let's calculate using option number A. So option number A, 50 and 20. So 10 years ago, the age of father would be 40 and 10 years ago, age of son would be 10. So age of father is 4 times as compared to son. Age of father is 4 times as compared to son. First condition is verified. Now check the second condition. 10 year hence means 10 साल के बाद, after 10 years, the relation will be twice. So let's check after 10 years. $50 plus 10 is 60 and 20 plus 10 is 30. Now it is twice, 2 times. Therefore, this relation is true. So second condition is also verified. So option number A is the correct answer. Okay. Yes. So most of you have given the answers. Satya has given, Komalpreet has given, Abhimanyu has given. Seventh. Now let's see the condition for 7th. The product of two numbers is 3200 and the quotient when the larger number is divided by the smaller, it is 2. That means अगर हम दोनों नंबर को डिवाइड करते हैं तो रिजल्ट 2 आना चाहिए. तो किसका डिवीजन 2 है? You can see that 200 upon 16 is not 2. 160 by 20 is not 2. 60 by 30 is 2, but their product is not 3200. इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट कितना हो रहा है? 1800. So condition is not verified. D option. Their product is 3200 and their division is 2. Result is 2. Therefore, option number D दोनों condition को satisfy करता है. So simply you have to check by using options. Okay. Shravani says, please repeat question number 6. See, in question number 6, we have reduced 10 first After reducing 10, we get father's age as 4 times. And for second condition, we have added 10. We have added 10. So 10 add करने के बाद age of father is 2 times. So both the conditions are verified. Okay. Now the eighth one, the denominator of a fraction exceeds the numerator by 2. This is the first condition. First condition क्या है? Denominator की value numerator से ज़्यादा है. कितने से? 2. Now you can check all the options are following this first condition. सारे ऑप्शन इस फर्स्ट कंडीशन को फुलफिल कर रहे हैं. Denominator is exceeding numerator by 2. Now check the second condition. If 5 is added to numerator, the fraction will increase by unity. अगर आप ऊपर 5 ऐड करेंगे और टोटल नंबर 1 से इंक्रीज हो रहा है, तो ऑफ कोर्स ऐसा कब पॉसिबल है? जिसका डिनोमिनेटर 5 होगा उसी के अंदर पॉसिबल है. सो यू कैन वेरीफाई 3 by 5 at present it is 0.6. Now if you add 5 in numerator, it will become 8 by 5, that is 1.6. So number कितने से increase हो गया? Number increases by 1, that is unity. So option number D is correct. Option number D is correct. So always you can judge किस option को पहले try करें. अगर ऊपर 5 ऐड करना है तो ऐसा डिनोमिनेटर सर्च करें जिसमें डिनोमिनेटर 5. ठीक है, ऐसा ऑप्शन सर्च करना है जहां पर डिनोमिनेटर 5 है, देन यू विल इजीली गेट योर आंसर. Now let's try 10th one. A number consists of 2 digits. The digit in tens place is 3 times the digit in unit place. Now similar example we have done. तो जिसको ऊपर वाले एग्जांपल में डाउट था, you can focus on this question also so that it will get cleared. तो tens place की जो digit है वो कितना है? 3 times the digit in unit place. Now check the first one, 9. 9 का 3 times क्या 3 है? No, this is not verified. 2 and 9. 2 का 3 times is 6, but here 9 is written, so it is also wrong. Third one, 3 and 3 का thrice होता है 9, so this time the condition is verified. Now you can check second condition also. If 54 is subtracted, the digits are reversed. So if you subtract 54 from 93, you will get 39. So the digits are reversed. Digit reverse हो गए. Okay. Now let's try last one, 12th from this exercise. After that, we will be moving towards solving simultaneous equation. Now the 12th one, if a number of which half is greater than 1/5 the number by 15, तो पहले क्या करना है? नंबर का हाफ करना है, फिर उसी नंबर का 1/5 भी करना है. जो भी नंबर आपको गिवन ऑप्शन में उसका हाफ करेंगे, उसका 1/5 करेंगे, एंड देन क्या फाइंड करना है? डिफरेंस. और वो डिफरेंस आना चाहिए 15. लेट्स ट्राई विद ऑप्शन नंबर ए. 50 का हाफ 25, 50 का 1/5, 50 का 1/5 कितना होता है? 10. एंड नाउ व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? डिफरेंस इज 15. therefore it is verified. Option number A is the correct answer. तो ऑप्शन का हाफ, ऑप्शन का 1/5 दोनों को माइनस करना है, और माइनस करने के बाद अगर रिजल्ट 15 आ रहा है, then it is correct. Okay. Now some people are asking about question number 8 doubt. See, question number 8 में कंडीशन क्या है? सेकेंड वाली कि if 5 is added to the numerator, अगर हमने न्यूमरेटर में 5 प्लस किया तो नंबर यूनिटी से बढ़ जाएगा, दैट मीन्स नंबर 1 से इंक्रीज होगा। दिस इज द रिक्वायरमेंट, ये हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट है। अगर 5 ऐड कर दिया न्यूमरेटर में, देन द ओवरऑल नंबर विल इंक्रीज बाय 1। तो ऑप्शन नंबर डी में हमने पुट किया 3/5, दैट मीन्स ओरिजिनली इट वाज 0.6। नाउ जैसे आपने 5 प्लस किया, इट इज बिकमिंग 1.6, तो नंबर इज इंक्रीज बाय 1, so this condition is verified. Okay, so 9th is very easy, you can try with option, no need to worry. 11th is easy. Now let's move towards the next portion, that is solution of simultaneous equation. So before starting this, let's take a small break of 5 minutes and then we will be continuing with this equations. Okay. So now the next topic is method of solving the equations. So now there are equation of two variables and in two variable की equation को हमें simplify करना है. Now method तो बहुत सारे होंगे but the best method available is the option method. But yes, we will be learning other method also so that if required you can try. So let's try the example number second. The first equation is 3x plus 2y plus 17 equal to 0. And second is 5x minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. This is exactly same as class 9th and 10th, but yes, let's revise it. So 3x plus 2y plus 17 equal to 0, the first one, and 5x minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. This is the second one. Now, see what you have to do. Make the coefficient of x equal or y equal. Take any of the variable and make the coefficient equal. Let's say x. If we make the coefficient of x equal, then how we have to do? Now see the first equation is having 3x. So multiply the second equation by 3. And second equation is having 5x. So multiply the first equation by 5. Okay. So by doing so, the coefficient of x will become equal. So let's try this. 15x plus 10y plus 85 equal to 0. And from the second one, it is 15x minus 18y minus 27 equal to 0. Now, for cancellation of the variable, we have to subtract. So while doing subtraction, all the sign will get changed. 15 will become negative, negative will become positive, and this negative will become also positive. So 15x minus 15x will get cancelled. What is left? 28y plus. Now 85 plus 27 is how much? 112. Therefore, value for y which we are getting is 4. So from here you can get the value of y as 4. Right? So you have done the subtraction, and after subtraction you are getting the result. Now, similarly, you can substitute the value of y in any of the equation and get the result of x. Okay. So come on, everyone. Let's find the value of x as well. And here it will be negative sign because we have sent 1, 1, 2 on other side. So value will be negative. Then 3 of x plus 2 into negative 4 plus 17 equal to 0. So we are getting 3x, then minus 8 plus 17. So 3x is equal to negative 9. So value of x will be negative 3. So in this way, we can get the values of x and y. So negative 3 and negative 4. All right. Now, see, most of these questions are again available in question bank also, back question also. So let's try back question directly because all these questions are again repeated here and we have to try using options. Okay. So exercise number 3, the solution of the set of equations is. Now put the option and check which is satisfying both the equations. Okay. So if you try option number A, now try to put this option orally, it will become very fast. 3 into 1 and 4 into minus 1. You will get -1. So option number A is wrong. Then try B option. 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1. You are getting 7. First equation satisfied. Now put in the second equation, 4 into 1 minus 1, you will get 3. Second condition, second equation also verified. Therefore, your answer is B option. You have to simply substitute the value of x and y in the given equation. Now try the second one. The values of x and y satisfying the equations. See, clearly you can see that x upon 2 and y upon 3 and result is 2. So if you put 2 in place of x and 3 in place of y, you will get 1 plus 1, that is 2. So easily you can see that option number C is correct. Option number C is correct. So 2 by 2 plus 3 by 3. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Similarly, you can check the second equation also. 2 plus 2 into 3. It is 8. So this is also verified. All right. Now, let's try the next one. Third. Third is again very, very easy. You can see x upon p plus y upon p equal to 2. So exactly if you put p in place of x and q in place of y, you will get 1 plus 1, that is 2. And second equation also, x plus y, you will get p plus q, that is also verified. Okay. Now the fourth one, the solution for the pair of equations. The solution for the pair of equations is given by. So again, try the option. Let's try those options which can easily satisfy. The first one, 1 upon 16. Now in place of x, we are using 1 by 4 plus 1 by 15 into, in place of y using 1 by 3. So what is left? 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 is how much? Take the LCM, 20. You will get 5 plus 4. That is 9 upon 20. 9 upon 20. So first equation is verified. Now you can verify second equation as well. 1 upon 20 into 1/4 minus 1 upon 27 into 1/3. So how much you are getting? 1 by 5 minus 1 by 9. So take the LCM, 45. So 4 upon 45. 4 upon 45. So option number A is correct. So A is satisfying both the equation. Okay. Then Ms. Ankita Naik says, what is elimination method? The method of solving the equation when one variable we have to remove, eliminate the one variable. The method which we have done above, that was elimination method. But here we don't have to work upon the types or methods. We have to work upon the fast solution, easy solution. Okay. Now question number 5, 6, each and every question you can put the option and check your answer. Now let's try which one? The last one, 10th. Let's try the 10th one. The values of x and y satisfying the equations. So let's put option number A first or D. See, you have to judge which option you have to put first so that you can get your answer in fast manner. So see here x minus y is written. So if you do 1 minus 2, it will become negative. And if you do 2 minus 1, it will be positive. So let's try option number D first. Option number D को पहले try करते हैं. So 3 upon 2 plus 1 and 2 upon 2 minus 1. So what you are getting? 1 plus 2, that is 3. So this first equation is verified. Now you can check with the second equation also. That will also get verified. So 2 upon 2 plus 1 and 3 upon 2 minus 1. So here you are getting 2 by 3 plus 3. It will become 11 upon 3, or in whole number you will write 3 2/3. 3 2/3. Okay. So this was 10th question. Now, exercise number D. It is extension of this variety only. So let us try which one. Third one you can try. X by 4 equal to y by 3 equal to z by 2. All these three are equal. Now, it is possible only when value of x is 4, value of y is 3, and value of z is 2. Okay. Then only all these will become equal. Or x will be in multiple of 4, y will be multiple of 3, and z will be multiple of 2 in that manner. So let's check the option. The first option is only 4, 3, and 2. So you can put this and get your answer. So if you try the first option, the condition is getting verified. Now, if you want to verify a second equation as well, check it on 7 into 4 plus 8 into 3 plus 5 into 2. You will get 28 plus 24 plus 10. 62 is the total. So option number A is correct. All right. Now you can try the fourth one. Okay. You can try fourth one now and let me know the answer. This you have to try and give me the answer. Xy upon x plus y should be equal to 20. Now check which one satisfies. कौन सा ऑप्शन इसको satisfy करता है? So it's very easy. Then 2-3 students are asking about the negative marking. Yes, in mathematics, there is paper number 3 and paper number 4. There will be negative marking, and negative marking is 25%. That means 1/4. All right. So if you have given the wrong answer, you will not get awarded any marks, and additionally 0.25 marks will be deducted for every wrong answer. Okay. So if you give wrong answer, 0.25 marks will be deducted. And if you give correct, 1 marks will be awarded. And if you leave the question, you will neither get the marks and not anything will be deducted. Okay. So now, which one is satisfying? Rohani Jain says option number D. Pooja says B option. Okay, so few are saying B and few are saying D. Come on, check easily, check easily. Pooja is saying B. Yashas is saying D. Riddhi D. So if you try B and D option in first equation, the result will be same because 60 and 30 both are interchangeable. So you have to verify other equations as well. So if you check second equation yz by using option B, then you are getting 30 into 120 upon 30 plus 120 is 150. Now it should be equal to 40. Let's check. We have cancelled this. We are getting 24. So option number B is wrong. Check with option number D. So yz is 60 into 120. Upon 60 plus 120 is 180. Okay. So let's cancel. 60 and here is 3. Now this time you are getting 40. So option number D is the correct answer. So many times similar option come in exam. So you have to be very specific which will be the correct result. Okay. So option number D is correct. Now again 5, 6, 7, all these are similar. Now you can try each and every one with the option. So let's try 7th now. You have to do question number 7 now. Try the 7th and let me know which is the correct option. So first equation is 4 upon x minus 5 upon y is equal to x plus y upon xy plus 3 by 10. This is given. Second equation is 3xy is equal to 10 into y minus x. Now see which one is correct. Come on, everyone. So Om Gupta is given option number A, that is 2, 5. So 4 by x, that is 4 by 2, and 5 by y, that is 5 by 5. Let's check. 4 upon 2 minus 5 upon 5 is equal to 2 plus 5 upon 2 into 5 is 10 plus 3 by 10. So what we are getting here, it is 1 and here it is getting 7 plus 3 upon 10. So both are 1. That means condition is verified by using option number A. So 2 and 5 is the correct answer. Value of x is 2 and value of y is equal to 5. Okay. Now if you want, you can check second equation as well. So 3 into 2 into 5 is equal to 10 into 5 minus 2. So both the sides we are having 30. Therefore, this is also getting verified. So option number A is correct. Yes, so most of you have given the answer option number A. Now let's try one more, 8th one. This time you can try question number 8 and see which is correct. The result is ultimately equal to 2. So let's simplify. Which options are giving the correct result? Question number 8. X upon 0.01 plus y plus 0.03 upon 0.05 and then second side. So you can see all the values are either 1, 2, 0.1, 0.2, 0.01, 0.02. So option number C and D are interchangeable. So which one is correct? Check this out. So you can clearly see that option number C and D are interchangeable, that means there are more chances that out of these two, one option will be correct. Out of these two, one option will be correct. But which one is correct? Let's try. So if you try C option, so it is 0.01 upon 0.01 plus 0.02 plus 0.03 upon 0.05. So here it is 1 plus 1, that is 2. So one side is verified. Check on other side also. 0.02 divided by 0.02 plus 0.01 plus 0.03. So again 1 plus 1 is 2. So both the sides are getting verified. Therefore, option number C is correct. Okay. Now, next comes the problems leading to simultaneous equation. That means the word problems. So now again, we have to see the language. So language is very much important. If you interpret the language carefully, then only you will reach the answer. So if the numerator of a fraction is increased by 2. Now the question is talking about fraction. So let us assume a fraction. Let the fraction be x upon y. This is the fraction. Now what you have to do? Increase the numerator by 2. So add 2 in numerator. And denominator by 1. So add 1 in the denominator. And the result is 1. So it is equal to 1. This is the first equation. Okay. From this first statement, you have got this equation. X plus 2 upon y plus 1 is equal to 1. Now, second one, if numerator is decreased by 4, so x minus 4, and denominator by 2, that is y minus 2. The result is half, that is 1 upon 2. Then find out the fraction. Now the fraction you have to calculate, that is find out the value of x and y first. So again, this can be done using options also. So if you can simplify here, x plus 2 equal to y plus 1. Therefore, x minus y will be equal to minus 1. This becomes your first equation. And second one, if you cross multiply, 2x minus 8 equal to y minus 2. So 2x minus y is equal to 6. These are the two equations. Okay, these are the two equations. Now simplify this. 2x minus y equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to minus 1. Now coefficient of y are same in both the equations. Therefore, we can subtract this. So for subtracting, change the sign. Minus, plus, plus. We have to change the sign. So 2x minus x will become x. Y and minus y is cancelled. 6 plus 1 becomes 7. So value of x is 7. Now substitute in any of the equation. So 7 minus y equal to minus 1. So it will become 8. Value of y is equal to 8. So in this way, you are getting value of x and y. So the final fraction is x upon y. So 7 upon 8 is the final answer. Okay. Done till here? So now there are 3 examples and how many questions? 11 questions are there. So let's try the second example also. The age of a man is 3 times the sum of ages of his 2 sons. So what is the condition? the age of man is 3 times the sum of age of his 2 sons. And 5 years hence, मतलब 5 साल के बाद, his age will be double the sum of ages. पहले 3 times है, बाद में कितना हो जाएगा? डबल हो जाएगा. So let us assume the age of man be x years. Age of man is x years, and present age of son be y years. Son की age को assume किया हमने y. So according to the first condition, age of father is 3 times of age of son. So it will become x is equal to 3y. This is the first equation. Then it says after 5 years. So after 5 years, age of father will be x plus 5. And after 5 years, age of son. Now age of first son will increase by 5 and age of second son will also increase by 5. That's why we are adding 5 2 times. We have to add 5 2 times because it is first son and second son. The age of both of them will increase. So if you simplify, x plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 30. Now you know that value of x is 3y. So you can simply substitute and get the result. No, here it is 2 times. The relation is 2 times. So you have to put 2y plus 20. Now substitute value of x here. 3y plus 5 is equal to 2y plus 20. So y is equal to 15. Y का value आ गया 15. Then what will be the value of x? 3 into 15, that is 45. 3 into 15, that is 45. So the present age of the man is 45 years. So Om Gupta and Yogesh Kumar has also done. Answer is 45. That's great. So this was example number 2. Now the third one. A number consists of 3 digits. First digit, second digit, third digit. Of which the middle one is 0. Middle term क्या है? 0 है. And the sum of other 2 digit is 9. बाकी जो दोनों digit बचे हैं, उनका sum कितना है? 9. The number formed by interchanging the first and third. अगर इन दोनों numbers को interchange कर दें, then it is more than the original number by 297. तो जो उनका difference होगा, वो कितना आएगा? 297. So let's try this using options. Let's say option is 306, 405, 507. So what is the condition? Middle term should be 0. तो तीनों option में middle term क्या है? 0. So first condition is verified. Then second condition क्या है? If we interchange the first and third digit, then the difference should be 297. So अगर इन दोनों digits को interchange किया तो रिजल्ट कितना होगा? 603. यहाँ इंटरचेंज किया तो 504. यहाँ इंटरचेंज किया तो 705. Now find out the difference. कितना difference आता? If you find the difference, it is 297. Here it is 99, and यहाँ पे कितना है? 198. So which option is correct? Option number A, because option number A satisfies the condition of 297. All right. So correct answer is option number A, 306. So in this way, you will reach your answer. Now let's try some questions from the exercise also. First one, the monthly income of two persons are in the ratio of 4:5 and monthly expense are in the ratio of 7:9. If each saves 50 per month, find their monthly income. Exactly same question we have covered in ratios. So this is already done. Second one, find the fraction which is equal to 1/2 when both its numerator and denominator are increased by 2. So if numerator is increased by 2 and denominator is increased by 2, if both are increased by 2, then you have to find out the fraction. Then it is equal to half. If numerator and denominator both are increased by 2, then the result is half. It is equal to 3/4 when both are increased by 12. So if you increase the numerator plus 12, denominator plus 12, then it becomes 3/4. Now you can check which condition is correct. If you try the first one is 3/8. 3/8. So plus 2 plus 2. It becomes 5/10. That is half. Condition verified. Check second condition also. 5 plus 12 and 8 plus 12. How much? So it is 3. 3/12 and 8/12. So 15 upon 20. It is 3/4. Second condition also verified. Second condition is also verified. Therefore, option number A is correct. All right. Now the third one. The age of a person is twice the sum of age of his two sons. And 5 years ago, his age was thrice the sum of their ages. Find the present age. So it is exactly same as what we have done above. It is exactly same to question example number 2. So you can do this easily. Example number 2 is similar. Okay. Now, fourth one. A number between 10 and 100 is 5 times the sum of its digits. If 9 is added, the digits are reversed, then find out the number. So number between 10 and 100 means it is a 2-digit number. And if you add and check, it is 5 times the sum of the digits. So check 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. Now 9 multiplied by 5 is 45, but here 54 is written. So option number A is incorrect. And 45 is available in the option. So 4 plus 5 is 9. And if you try 5 times, it is 45. So both the conditions are satisfied. And second condition says, if 9 is added, the number are reversed. So 45 plus 9 becomes 54. So it is getting reversed. Okay. So number are getting reversed. All right. So the correct answer is option number C. Okay. Always check all types of conditions. The first condition was number is a 2-digit number. So all the options are 2-digit. Then you have to check the condition of 5 times. So 5 plus 4, 9. 5 times of 9 is 45. So 54 was incorrect and 45 is correct. All right. So we have done the repetition of this conditions as well. Now, fifth one. The wages of 8 men and 6 boys amount to 33. So you have to check कैसे possible है ये 8 men and 6 boys का wages 33 आना चाहिए. So if you think technically किसका salary ज्यादा होगा, men का या boys का? Of course men का ज्यादा होना चाहिए because of age, seniority, experience, right? तो ऑप्शन नंबर ए को पहले ट्राई नहीं करेंगे, पहले ऑप्शन नंबर बी को हम ट्राई कर सकते हैं. तो ट्राई ऑप्शन बी फर्स्ट. 8 into 3 plus 6 into 1.5. 24 plus 9. 33. Yes, verified. First relationship is verified. Now, if 4 men earn 4.5 more than 5 boys, determine the wages of each man and boy. So how much 4 men earn? Earning of 4 men. 4 into 3 is 12. And how much 5 boys earn? 5 into 1.5 is 7.5. Now what is the difference? Difference is 4.5. So this second condition is also verified. कि 4 men 5 boys से 4.5 rupees ज़्यादा earn कर रहे हैं. So 4 men की earning calculate कर ली हमने 12, 5 boys का earning calculate कर लिया 7.5, and then दोनों का difference कितना आता है 4.5. Therefore, option number B is correct. All right. So we have done the revision of 5 questions as well. Now the 6th one. A number consisting of 2 digits is 4 times the sum of its digits. Okay, Venkatashmi says, please repeat it again. See, 8 men and 6 boys, दोनों मिलके कितना अर्न करते हैं 33. तो आपको चेक करना है ऑप्शन बाय ऑप्शन किस ऑप्शन से 33 आता है. तो वी हैव ट्राइड विद ऑप्शन नंबर बी. 8 men की सैलरी 8 into 3 24. 6 boys की सैलरी 6 into 1.5 that is 9. दोनों का टोटल 33 verified. So option number B is correct. Okay. Now comes the 6th one. A number consisting of 2 digits is 4 times the sum of its digits. And if 27 be added, the digits are reversed. Then find the numbers. तो सिमिलर कंडीशन जो अभी हमने ऊपर किया था उससे सिमिलर कंडीशन है. तो all the numbers are 2 digit. Now add them. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. इसका 4 times करना है, it is 36. But option number A is 63. Incorrect. 36 सही है, that means you can check option number C. 3 plus 6 is 9 and 4 times of 9 is 36. Therefore, C option will be correct. All right. Seventh, of the two numbers, 1/5 of greater is equal to 1/3 of smaller, and the sum must be 16. तो फर्स्ट कंडीशन हमारे पास जो अवेलेबल है 1/5 of greater number is equal to 1/3 of smaller. This is the first condition. And second is sum is equal to 16. तो सेकंड कंडीशन इज सेटिस्फाइड बाय ऑल द ऑप्शंस। चारों ऑप्शन का सम 16 आ रहा है। 6 + 10 16, 9 + 7 16, 12 + 4 16, 11 + 5 16. तो सेकंड कंडीशन is satisfied by all. Now check the first condition. तो किसका चेक करना है? 1/5 ऑफ द ग्रेटर नंबर। अगर हम फर्स्ट ऑप्शन चेक करते हैं, ग्रेटर नंबर कौन सा है? 10, 1/5 ऑफ 10 एंड स्मॉलर का 1/3, 6/3. On both sides, value is full, value is equal. Therefore, option number A is satisfying the condition. So option number A is correct. Option number A is correct. So Mansi Mani has given the answer. Komalpreet has given. Then Saloni, Venkat Lakshmi, Om Gupta. Great. So correct answer was option number A. Now you can try eighth one also. Y is older than X by 7 years. Y X से greater है. Y is greater than X by 7 years. That means you can write Y minus X is equal to 7. This becomes the first condition. And 15 years back, X age was 3/4 of Y's age. 15 years पहले क्या रिलेशन था? X का एज कितना था? Y की एज का 3/4. तो लेट चेक दीज टू कंडीशन. फर्स्ट कंडीशन में क्या है? Y की एज X से 7 ग्रेटर होनी चाहिए. ऑप्शन नंबर A satisfies this condition. B does not satisfy. C is satisfying. D is also satisfying. Now check the second condition. 3/4 of Y's age should be equal to X, but when? 15 years before. So if you check the option number A, Y का एज कितना है? 43. 15 years पहले कितना रहा होगा? 28. Now 3/4 of Y. So 3/4 of 28 is how much? 21. It is 21. Now 15 years पहले X का एज क्या होगा? So if present age is 36, 15 years before the age was 21. So yes, the condition is verified. Both the conditions are verified. So option number A is the correct answer. Okay, option number A is correct. So 3/4 of Y's age should be equal to X. Then this condition is getting satisfied. So A is the correct result. Then comes question number 9. The sum of the digits in 3-digit number is 12. Digits को add करने पे sum कितना आ रहा है? 12. So add all the digits. 3 + 2 + 7 is 12. 3 7 2 is 12. So all the options are satisfying this first condition. So first condition is satisfied by all. Check the second condition. If the digits are reversed, the number is increased by 495. With first option 327. If you reverse the digit, it will become 723. Now find out the difference. Will this difference be 495? You can see 13 minus 7 is 6. So this will not give 495. Then check option number, which one? C. 237. 237. If you reverse, it will become 732. So 12 minus 7 is 5. Then how much? 9 and then 4. Yes. This time it is 495. 732 minus 237 will give you 495. So this condition is satisfied by the option. And unit digit increases by 36. यूनिट डिजिट आपका इंक्रीज हो रहा है कितने से 36 से. So you can check the final answer. It is C. So if you want to verify the last condition, by reversing only the tens and unit digit, it will increase by 36. So 237. Now interchange only these two digits. 73 minus 37, you will get 36. So this condition is also verified. So 237, option number C, is the correct answer. All right. This will be your correct answer. Now comes 10th one. Two numbers are such that twice the greater number exceeds twice the smaller one by 18. Twice of greater minus twice of smaller is 18. Or you can take 2 as common. So greater minus smaller. The difference should be 9. Greater minus smaller, the difference should be 9. So all the options are satisfying this condition. Option number A, B, C, and D, all of them are having difference of 9. Then check the next condition. And 1/3 of smaller and 1/5 of greater are together 21. If you are adding 1/3 of the smaller and 1/5 of greater, then the number is how much? 21. So let us check this condition. 1 by 3 multiplied by 36 plus 1 by 5 multiplied by 45. Now 1/3 of 36 is 12 plus 9. How much we are getting? We are getting 21. So therefore, option number A is satisfying the condition. So A option is correct. All right. Option number A is correct. So always you can try all these conditions and check which one is satisfying all the conditions. So clearly option number A was correct. Now comes question number 11. The demand and supply equation for a certain commodity is given, and P is the market price, Q is the quantity. Then find the equilibrium price and quantity. So again, put the option and see which one is satisfying. You will get your answer. You can easily put the option and check which one is satisfying. All right. So let's check which is satisfying. And yes, in question number 10, both the options are same, 36 and 45. So both are basically correct. A as well as B, both will be correct because numbers are same. So in question number 11, you can check which one is satisfying. Insert the value and get the result. So let's check. First equation is 4Q plus 7P is equal to 17. So what is the value of Q? Q is 3 by 4. And what is the value of P? It is 2. So 3 plus 14 gives 17. So option number A is satisfying the equation. So option number A is correct. So everyone has given the answer, option number A. So basically in today's class, what we have covered about the linear equation. So linear equation के बाद में जो next topic आएगा, that is the next class, we will be doing quadratic equation. And quadratic equations को solve करने के लिए formula भी available है, and also option method is also available. So we will be doing that. And yes, so today we have completed exercise number A, B, C, D, and E. 5 small exercises we have covered today. So in between those questions, some questions are left. You can try them today so that in case of doubt, we will be discussing them. All right. So in linear equation, in the beginning, we had done the basic that whenever the highest power of variable is 1, then it is known as linear equation. When highest power is 2, then it is known as quadratic equation. And when highest power is 3, then it is known as cubic equation. So in this way, we had covered the basic, and after that we had done the solution of linear equation in one variable. That is when only one variable is given, only x is given. After that, we have covered 2 variables, 3 variables, and in most of the cases, you can solve by using option method. Om Gupta says, thank you so much for the concept and full session. That's great. Then, yes, so we have, I think, covered each and everything today. So your today's task is complete all these questions, and also जो भी हमने आज क्लास में किया है उसको पूरा अच्छे से रिवाइज करें. Now you have to specialize in putting the option. How to put the option? पहले कौन से ऑप्शन को चेक करें? तो always try to read all the option first and then see which is feasible and which is not feasible. ऐसा ऑप्शन जो बिल्कुल भी feasible नहीं है उसको आप डायरेक्टली रिजेक्ट कर सकते हो, और कई बार आपको क्वेश्चन देखने से पता लग जाएगा कि कौन सा ऑप्शन पहले हमें ट्राई करना चाहिए. तो जो आप पहले ट्राई करेंगे उससे ज्यादा चांस है कि जल्दी रिजल्ट आ सकता है. ओके, सो ऑलवेज ट्राई यूजिंग दोज ट्रिक्स व्हिच वी हैव डिस्कस्ड टुडे. और इस चैप्टर का जो ओवरऑल वेटेज है दैट इज अराउंड 3 मार्क्स. तो 3 मार्क्स आर वेरी गुड इनफ फॉर दिस चैप्टर, राइट? Yasha says, thank you, sir, for the good teaching. Rohani says, thanks a lot for the awesome session. Great. So let's wind up the session and let's meet again in the next session with the quadratic equation. So till then, bye everyone. Take care and see you soon.